Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. Y'all know what that means. We've got some $5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, September the 17th at Dollar General. And make sure that y'all stay tuned until the end because I do have a money-making scenario. Plus, we are doing a giveaway. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so and do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because those are two super easy and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then if you have an extra second, go ahead and share the video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so first up, I do want to go ahead and mention that I did upload a Family Dollar video earlier today going over all of the best deals that we have going on at Family Dollar right now, plus a few $5 off $25 scenarios for this Saturday at Family Dollar. So if you missed that video, make sure that you go and check it out. I'm going to have the link in the pinned comment down below. And then if y'all are looking for even more deals, make sure that you go back and check out my Walgreens video that I uploaded earlier this week. We have an absolute ton of awesome and easy deals going on there as well. So that video will also be linked in the pinned comment down below. Alright, so for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So it is very important when you are in the store to scan each item with your DG app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Now, before we get into the scenarios, I also wanted to give you all a quick heads up that Dollar General seems to be having some issues with digital coupons not applying at the self-checkouts. Now, this doesn't seem to be an across-the-board, everybody's having these issues kind of thing, but I did make a post about it in the community tab, and quite a few of you gave me some really good feedback as to which coupons worked for you, what wasn't working, and what area you all were in. So, if anybody missed that post, make sure that you go over to the community tab after you get done watching this video and check that out. Now, for me personally, I did try some deals Sunday and Monday at self-checkout, and none of my digital coupons applied. So, if I go out tomorrow and try some $5 off $25 scenarios, I'm not going to take any chances. I'm just going to go straight to the regular register, and that way I'll know all of the digital coupons should apply without any issues. Now, I also wanted to go ahead and apologize before we get into the deals for the audio in this video. I've been having some major technical issues today, and this is about the third time that I've tried to get this voiceover to work. And we are now at soccer practice. I'm having to do the voiceover in my car, so if y'all hear any background noise, I do apologize. I know the audio doesn't sound great in the car either, but just bear with me. I promise y'all this will not be a regular thing. Alright, so for our first scenario, we have a food deal. For this one, you want to pick up two of the YoPlate yogurt cups at 85 cents each, one of the Sargento balanced breaks at $1.30, two of the General Mills cereals that are on sale, 2 for $5, four of the Michelina's frozen foods at $1 each, one of the Pepsi Mountain Dew or Crush 1.25 liters for $1.25, two of the Lay's chips that are on sale, 2 for $6, two of the Planters mixed nuts at $5.75 each, and two of the Push Pop ice creams at $1 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $32.75. The $2 in instant savings for the Planters deal will come off first at the register, and that's going to bring your new subtotal down to $30.75. Alright, and here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your $5 off $25, the 40-cent off 2 YoPlate yogurts, 75 cents off 1 Sargento, 1 off 2 General Mills, the buy 3 get 1 free on the Michelina frozen foods, the 3 off 2 Pepsi and Lay's, the buy 1 get 1 free Planters, and the buy 1 get 1 free ice cream. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $12.85 for 16 items. But this still gets even better because right now on Fetch Rewards, we have a 500-point bonus back for the Sargento balanced breaks. So submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, get 50 cents back, and that's going to make your final price $12.35 for all 16 items, making each one just 77 cents each. And then don't forget that on Fetch Rewards and the Coupons.com app, we have a bonus for General Mills products. So make sure that you scan your receipt into Fetch Rewards as well as the Coupons.com app, so that way y'all can work toward your bonus on both of those rebate apps. And then I also wanted to go ahead and remind you all about this freebie that we have right now on Fetch Rewards. This one does expire on September the 21st. So while you guys are out and about doing your couponing this weekend, make sure that you pick one of these up and then submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and get all of your money back. Now, before we get into the rest of the deals, I just wanted to go ahead and make sure that everybody's had time to leave their smiles down in the comment section below for me, because y'all know that absolutely makes my day. And after the day that I've had, y'all know I definitely want to see some smiling faces down in the comment section below. So make sure that you leave one if you haven't already. Alright, so next up we have a household deal, and for this one you want to pick up one of the Angel Soft 8-count Mega Rolls priced at $5.95, one of the All Laundry Mighty Packs priced at $4.50, one Febreze Warmer at $3.25, two of the Febreze Air Fresheners at $3.25 each, one of the Febreze Unstoppables at $4, one of the Bic Flex 3 razors at $4.50, and then 5 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste at $1 each. And that's going to put your subtotal at $33.70. Now, if you cannot find the Crest and Oral-B products that are giving us overage right now, don't worry about it. I just added those on at the end so that you can take advantage of the overage if you have those available at your store. So here is your list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario, and of course you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Angel Soft bath tissue, the 1 off 1 All or Snuggle product, the 2 30 off 1 Febreze Warmer, the 3 off 2 Febreze products, the 2 off 1 Febreze Unstoppables, the 4 off 1 Bic razors, the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B products, and the 5 off 3 Crest and Oral-B products. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $7.40 for all 12 items. But this still gets even better because right now on Ibotta, we have a $1 rebate back on the Angel Soft bath tissue. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, get $1 back, and that's going to make your final price $6.40 for all 12 items, making each one just 53 cents each. Alright, now moving right along to our next scenario. For this one, you want to pick up one of the Scott 12-count bath tissues. Those are on sale this week for $4.75. One of the Sparkle 2-count paper towels at $3.65. One of the Ajax 25-ounce dish soaps at $2. One of the All or Snuggle products priced at $4.50. Two of the Airwick starter kits at $3.50 each. One of the Bic Flex 3 razors at $4.50. And then 5 of the Crest and Oral-B products priced at $1 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $31.40. And again, if you don't have the Crest and Oral-B products at your store, or if you've already used those coupons, don't worry about it. Just leave those products off and you can still do this scenario. Alright, and here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Scott bath tissue, the 1 off 1 Sparkle paper towels, the 25-cent off 1 Ajax and Fabuloso products, the 1 off 1 All or Snuggle product, the 3 off 2 Airwick, the 4 off 1 Bic razors, the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B, and the 5 off 3 Crest and Oral-B. That's going to bring your subtotal down to $8.15 for 12 items. But this deal does get even better because right now on Fetch Rewards, we do have bonuses for the Scott paper products, as well as we have a 3,000 point bonus on the Airwick products. So you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. You're going to get back at least $3, and that's going to make your final price $5.15 for all 12 items. Alright, now next up we have a little personal care deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Shea Moisture bar soaps priced at $6, one of the Suave body washes priced at $2.25, two of the Tresemme hair masks priced at $2 each, one of the Bic Flex 3 razors priced at $4.50, one of the Suave 1.4 ounce powder deodorants priced at $1.35, two of the Airwick starter kits at $3.50 each, and then 5 of the Crest and Oral-B products priced at $1 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $30.10. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 350 off 1 Shea Moisture product, the 1 off 1 Suave product, the 3 off 2 Tresemme, the 4 off 1 Bic razors, the 50-cent off 1 Suave deodorant, the 3 off 2 Airwick products, the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B, and the 5 off 3 Crest and Oral-B. And that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to just $2.10 for all 13 items. But this deal does get better because right now on Fetch Rewards, we have that 3,000 point bonus when you purchase 2 of the Airwick scented oil products. So you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. You're going to get back $3, and that is going to make your final price completely free plus a 90-cent moneymaker. So how awesome is that? Alright guys, now before we talk about the giveaway, I also wanted to remind everybody that those $5 coupons that we were receiving from the P&G spin promotion last week and the week before, those do expire this weekend. So y'all make sure that you use those $5 coupons before they expire. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and talk about this giveaway really quickly, shall we? So basically, I have a few Starbucks and a few Dunkin' Donuts gift cards that I want to give away. So I will be announcing the winners on Sunday's video, so y'all make sure that you stay tuned for that. And all you have to do if you want to be entered to win these gift cards is make sure that you're subscribed, hit the thumbs up button, leave me a comment down below, and let me know whether you would want to win a Starbucks or a Dunkin' Donuts gift card. And then take a second, click the share button, and share the video. Even if you just share it to yourself, make sure you click that share button and share it to a friend, a family member, or like I said, yourself in a text message or an email. And that's all you have to do. So super simple and easy. And like I said, I will be announcing the winners in Sunday's video. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and again, I do apologize for the bad audio and also for this video getting out so late in the day to you all, but I promise this will not be a regular thing. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile in the comment section down below, and then if you have an extra second, go ahead and share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on the next one.